All right, first video after Christmas. Going back to work tomorrow. Got about 3 or 4 more days of work coming up, so that's pretty exciting. Dangerous thing happened today. I didn't know that this was actually even possible, so now I'm really in trouble. I went to the Weld supply shop. I want to say last Friday. Was it? Yeah, I want to say last Friday. And yeah, I was just talking about different things. I'm going to try getting ordered up some dual shield for my MIG gun, my little briefcase there. Going to try running that just with that last job. Kind of was like, maybe some dual shield will work out really well. So I got some of it, and we're talking about just different rods that they carried, and they just had the Randor brand. And a lot of people had really talked about that Atomic Arc by ESAB. I was like, man, you think you can find any of that, or do you have any? He's like, well, I don't really know. I can see if I may find you 10 pounds or wherever somewhere, instead of having to buy the whole 60 pounds. Like, man, I really don't know if I want to do that. I got a pretty good relationship with this guy, so we were just kind of him-hawing back and forth. And guess what showed up on my doorstep today? Ugh. Yeah. The shipment was put in by the guy at the Weld supply shop and was delivered to my front door. So I got me 20 pounds of some ESAB Atomic Arc 1/8 low hydrogen rod. Gonna run it and see if it's actually any better. I use this UTP, and they say he was saying, at least, I mean, he's not a welder, so I don't know what he actually knows as far as what the quality of weld is, but he said the UTP rod is like, some of the higher brand stuff. I'm not too excited about it because, slag is like really rock hard on there. I'm used to Excalibur, and I want to just try this stuff out. So now, the really scary part of this whole thing is apparently you can order things from the supply shop and it will be delivered right to your front door, which is more scary than just being able to go online, because at the weld shop, I, as a business, have a discount there, so I can buy things even cheaper. So, gonna keep it business, guys. Keep it business. We're not needing toys or a bunch of new doodads and things. We'll see. I don't know. It was just Christmas, so I got everything I needed. I'm not really a big material guy, not very materialistic, so I got me some beard stuff and couple other things, but more so just really enjoy the time with family. If you guys have been following me for any time at all, you know that family time is like the most important to me. That's what I deem, well, it's what I deem the most important. It's number one, top notch. I mean, things come and go, money comes and goes, but family and friends, that's what's the most important to me in my life. So being able to spend time with my family. I got to see my cousin, Brandon Ferris, as he's just huge in comedy world anymore now. Started his own Facebook page, and he's massive. But got to see him after he's become all famous and everything, so that's really cool. Haven't seen him in a while. Really got to spend some quality time with my wife and kids, which has really been awesome. I haven't had a day off for like 3 weeks straight. Right before Christmas, because everything was just so crazy. I was trying to finish up projects, this, that, and the other. So anyways, I hope you guys had a great Christmas. Getting right back into the videos. Going to try bringing up some good points. Just letting you guys know from day to day what's going on with me, things I learn, things I see if there's anything that's pertinent for you guys. And I'm going to really try that GoPro idea I had, putting it on the back of the truck. Any projects that I get that I'm going to be working off the back of my truck and kind of building or doing repairs or wherever, I'm going to try getting that. I got to get a GoPro. Those things kind of cost money, so one step at a time, little bits at a time there. And yeah, I think this year's going to be a really good year. It's still 2018, so I still got good hopes for 2018. Got like 3 days. Anyways, coming up for next year, 2019, got a lot of good ideas. Gonna see where this thing's gonna go, see where Welder Beast is gonna go. You guys have a great one. I'll talk to you later.